Hey guys, what's up? It's Meg and Eric here at AVO. We are at Jeep Beach in Daytona, Florida right now. Guys, behind us we've got a Project M on a Jeep Gladiator. Eric's going to give us a quick walk around and show us everything on this Project M.
Yeah guys, check it out. One of the best parts of the four-wheel campers is that they are pop-up campers. So when this is closed down, we don't have a super tall profile or camper top over the Gladiator, right? Our center of gravity is much lower. It's easier to pull through drive-throughs. It's easier to drive around on a daily basis. That's the whole thing here with the Project M, right? It's a topper camper. And so it mounts like a topper. You still keep your tailgate, but it pops up and then you have a ton of room. We'll show you here in a second as we walk around this camper. This one has a smooth black exterior. You guys can actually deck this out with a few different colors from four-wheel camper. Our most popular being the diamond plate black exterior, which just looks really rugged. It's kind of like a matte finish. On the outside here, you'll see that this has the optional gear tracks on the passenger side of this camper. You can also do a side window here as well if you wanted like a hatch access or window. You could do that here on the passenger side. There's no awning on this camper, but you can actually outfit this with an alu-cab shadow awning or some different awning options from the four-wheel camper factory. Four-wheel campers have standard side windows on each part of the pop-up. And guys, a lot of people ask us, what is this material made out of? It's kind of like a heavy-duty inflatable raft type of material, like a vinyl, and not a canvas like you'd find on a tent. This is very heavy-duty, very easy to clean, and gonna last you as long as you have that camper. Standard on the four-wheel campers are camper jack brackets so that you can easily attach camper jacks to these and then unbolt the camper from the inside, lift it off, and turn the truck back into truck mode really quickly. Rear hatch opens up this way, guys, and now I can get in and access the camper. I still maintain my tailgate with every single Project M, which is what a lot of customers are looking for with this concept. With that, you know, you can see different hitch step combinations to be able to get in. You know, of course, some of the other vehicles we've shown have actually the new folding tailgates and stuff, but on the Gladiator in particular, tailgate just drops down and then you can bring in a folding step or something like that to get up onto the tailgate and get in and access the camper. Over here, this is your portable solar hookup that's standard from the four-wheel camper factory. And so it doesn't come standard with a solar controller, but it is pre-wired for solar on top and down here. If you ever want to add solar down the road, add a Red Arc BCDC or something like that, or whatever you want to add in here, this is ready for it and pre-wired from the factory. You can see the gear tracks here on the driver's side as well, and the standard side window, which also acts as your standard emergency exit if you have to get out of the camper for emergency reasons. This is standard from four-wheel. You have latches on the outside of the camper. That's what you undo, and then you walk inside and then push the camper up from the inside, like you've probably seen in a lot of our videos. But that's about it, guys, for the exterior of the Project M. You can also add shower enclosures to these. This one in particular, we'll show you as we walk up inside, has one powered vent fan. You can do up to 2 powered vent fans. There's portable AC options for these. But follow me as we get up inside the camper and show you around the inside. So guys, the first thing you can see as you look inside the Project M is the amount of space you have. That's the first thing everybody said here. We're here in Daytona at Jeep Beach, and it's cool to get customers' first impressions on this camper. But this does not look like, to me, especially who I spend a lot of time with these campers, this doesn't look like the bed of a like a 5-foot bed on a Gladiator. And of course, we've seen this on the Tacomas already too. This is so much space, and the sleeping area up there, that bed slides out all the way, almost about halfway through the camper to extend to like a full king-size bed. These bench platforms come standard with the Project M's, which is great because you can use them to sit down, you can use them to mount gear to, you can integrate your own custom drawer system to this. I mean, there's a lot of options that you can do or integrate here that and have fun with as you use the camper more and find a way to kind of make it your own. But as far as standard equipment, we showed you the stuff on the outside. You can see your 4 windows up top. Of course, you could add a thermal pack inside too, which we recommend for a lot of our customers, because if it's really hot, again, it keeps that those hot temperatures that are kind of beating down on the pop-up section away from, keeps those temperatures from affecting the inside temperature of the camper. And then of course in the wintertime it insulates the camper much better too, so you don't have those cold temps fighting whatever heating system you're using inside. You can see the powered vent fan up top. And also from a height perspective, you can be up to 6'4" and stand up inside these campers. So I'm 5'10", and I can stand up, and I have plenty of room inside this camper to stand up. We would push the camper up from these 2 reinforced platforms here. We'd never push up on the headliner here. This is actually a very nice finished headliner. So we leave that alone. You push from here, and when it's time to close down, we attach our bungees, simply pull down this platform, pull the one down behind me, and the camper is closed up, and all I have to do at that point is do the latches on the outside of the camper. Tyler's kept things really simple here. He's using a portable lithium power pack, which a lot of our customers are using now, to be able to remove in and out of this camper. We do see a majority of customers move on from that and do an integrated battery system that you never have to pull out to charge. You know, the factory actually offers a very nice 135 amp hour from the factory battery box with an inverter, BCDC for solar and vehicle charging, 12 volts USBs. Like, it comes with a lot of stuff. It's actually a really nice option because you get your camper, we set it up, make a connection to the vehicle, and you drive away. But he's just got his fridge in here, just the bed mat to kind of soften the bed of the vehicle, because it's just there's no bed rug in here or even like a bed liner, and that's fine. The bed rugs are very popular for this because it actually makes it look like a kind of a camper inside, softens the interior a little bit so you can crawl around. But very, very cool. I want to show you the bed real quick. This bed extends out all the way out here and creates a king bed on this mid-sized platform, which is pretty cool. Tyler chose to do the no mattress option. Of course, that saves you some money, but then also you can use your own mattress. So if you don't think the 4-wheel camper mattress is going to be as comfortable, you can just get your own mattress. You can do a Hest mattress. You can do a custom mattress. You can bring a sleeping bag, whatever it is, and kind of keep this simple. This is under $20,000 out the door with destination, tax, install, all that stuff. This was, I think, about a $17,000 camper. On top of that, with everything out the door, on top of that, you can actually finance these too. And so you're talking about $250 payments on a camper like this with RV terms, which is awesome too. And that's like a huge advantage for our customers. So if you don't want to come out of pocket right now, the full, $17,000 to $20,000 that we usually see these campers where they fall, price wise, you can finance them like a car. And we have a great resource right through our website where you can do that, or you can ask our team if you have questions. That's one of the best advantages of the 4-wheel camper. This also weighs in at only about 350 pounds. So it's a very lightweight, all aluminum option. Of course, the pop-up section saves a lot of weight on this. So the Gladiator doesn't need a lot of upgrades to handle a Project M too. But we do have standard lighting in here. Tyler's charging his power pack right now. So once he brings it back in, we can plug this in and everything functions normally again. We can run the power vent fan, all that kind of stuff. So very cool setup, guys. And you know, this is something that I can definitely see why it has such a huge appeal to our customers. And of course, you have the backing of 4 Wheel Campers, a 50-year-old company with an excellent reputation for quality, craftsmanship, that have put together an awesome product for our customers that's like super tough. So we love it.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to our sales team at sales@AshevilleVehicleOutfitters.com. Give us a call at 844-667-3687 or stop by AVO Jax to see our 4 Wheel Camper showroom in person. Bye, guys.
See ya.